cat. Let's add cat here. Enter. Voila. Here we got a new output. Notice the cat has been created. We are just entering the text and the image has been created using the Python with OpenAI key. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this AI tutorial series, I will show you using OpenAI API key how to create a text into an images and saves into a local folder. For that I am using Python coding. Just for the time saving, I have logged into my OpenAI account. Notice here in the left panel there is a API keys. Click that one. And here there is a button called create new secret key, and above also you can see there create new secret key. Here are some important points I'm telling. Select the owned by you, not the service account. Select you and give the image name of the secret key img image I am adding, and project is default project only, and permissions. This is most important. Permissions, always select all button, not the restricted and read only. Select all, then create secret key and don't press done. Read carefully, save your key, because please save your secret key in a safe place since you won't be able to view it again. So let's copy this secret key. I am placing in my text. I saved this secret key in my notepad. Let's done. And here our newly created API is active, status active. Now switch over to Visual Studio. Just for the time saving, I have already opened here. Now we require two files here. First one is .env file, which is very important when you are dealing with API keys. The .env file is a secure place to store our API keys. So you don't give the name, only .env extension. That's it. Enter. And here .env file is open. Now here I'm adding open. Let's give the capital letters open AI underscore API underscore key is equals to, I'm pasting my secret key. Let's save this file first. That's it. We have done the env file part. Now second one is, and the file name is text hyphen image hyphen OpenAI. You can give any name. .py is the extension for Python. I have entered and the Python file has been created. Now, from OpenAI import OpenAI. Then the next package I am adding .env import load underscore .env. These packages you need to install. And the second one is the import base64, because we are using base64, we are creating the images. That's the reason I'm adding base64. From pill import image, the PIL is a capital image. Let's make this proper image. Now from IO import BytesIO, and last one we need to import OS also. These 6 packages we need to install before writing the coding part. Now the coding part is, the first one we need to call this OpenAI key. So for that I'm adding load underscore .even, which is a function. Override is equals to true. Override property is a boolean property, so I am adding true here. True. Why this override is equals to true? Suppose if we used the previous version API keys, that will override with this new API key, so we don't get any errors with the previous API keys. Client is equals to, now we need to add our API key here. So OpenAI is a function and API underscore key. Notice here API underscore key takes a lot of parameters, is equals to os dot get env is a function, is a string type. It takes the string parameter. In this function I'm adding double quotes. In the double quotes I'm adding this OpenAPI key name, which contains our secret key, API secret key. After that I'm adding prompt. Here the prompt is equals to input. User dynamically enter the text to create image, which will display when we run the application. The first prompt it will display. If a user enter suppose the tiger, it will create a tiger image. Result. Now we need to call the image model to create an image. Result is equals to client. This client dot images dot generate, and this generate takes a lot of parameters. Here I'm adding the necessary parameters only. First one is the model. So model all text string parameter, model is string parameter, no string between double quotes. I'm adding GPT image 1 comma. The next one I'm adding prompt is equals to prompt. Let's give here size is equals to, it will take the string parameter 1024. That's it. Now we require the image bytes. Image underscore bytes is a parameter. Why I'm creating this parameter? I'm decoding this base 64 before save the image. So base 64 dot, we need to decode B64 decode. See B64 decode result dot data 0 dot B64 JSON, and image is equals to Image.open. Need to add this one, this class name image dot open method. In this open method I'm adding BytesIO. It's a read buffer. So I'm reading this image, decoding this image, and save that image, save with a file name called output.jpg extension jpg, and that's it. And we'll add one more prompt here. After successfully saved the image, I want to print image created and saved successfully into a local folder. This is a text I want to display after save this image, and this output.image it will save in this algo folder. That's it. Let's save this file, save all. Let's run this application. Go to terminal. Let's clear this previous prompts. Python, the file name is text-image text-img-openai.py. That's it. Let's enter. And notice here we got an error. And notice that here we got an error, but still our image has been saved override true because it displayed. Close this one. Let's fix this. I don't know what went wrong, but let's try again. Everything is correct only. What is prompt input? Let's try again. I have not changed anything, the code, exactly what I have created, what I have written there. Before image, it created this one now. Now it's working perfectly. Let's write here tiger. Enter. The new image, it will override in this page, output.jpg. Let's check. It will take time to generate the image. And here we got. See the message also, image created and saved successfully into a local folder, which we have written at the bottom. And this is the output.jpg file. This is output.jpg file. I don't know why we got this error. It's a prompt is equal to, this is a Python prompt only. I don't know. That's it. Let's check another image here. Let's save this file again. Save. This time I will create. We have a tiger now. It will overwrite our image. Cat. Let's add cat here. Enter. Voila. Here we got a new output. Notice the cat has been created. We are just entering the text and the image has been created using the Python with OpenAI key. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. And don't forget to click the bell icon.